Lovely. It's almost finished. Almost. And yeah, it's just drawers where the kitchen should be, where the cupboards should be. These are supposed to be hanging but aren't now. The sink goes about there. And we have a kitty. Spot, they can't see you. Come here. Come here. Anyway, hi guys. Yeah, just recording off my phone just to make a change, see how it goes from here. Quite nice this, isn't it? It was nothing like this. You might remember watching a few videos back around Easter time. I think I did a lot of videos from here. The only thing that hasn't changed is this little section of tiles and its relative counterpart on the other side. Oh yeah, and the light. Apart from that, everything else has changed. The sink was on this side, and now it's on that side. The cooker was on that side, and now it's on this side. The fridge is on that side instead of this side. We completely redone the walls, replastered, repainted. We've repainted everything. It still smells of paint a bit. And yeah, I've been busy. You know, we have builders in. I was getting a right headache from all of that. And yeah, so now, well, it's taken me 2 days-ish, sort of from 10:30 till whatever time it is now. I don't know, must be about 5:30. I don't have a watch on me, don't have anything. Yeah, call it 5:30. I only had a break for lunch. That was it. Ooh. Nice looking girl outside. Sort of 3 floors below. Maybe 4. Yeah. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and there's one very cute cat. Aww, look at you. You're so cute, aren't you? Say hello, Spot. Hello. Yeah, he's... Oi, wake up! Wake up! You've been sleeping most of the day. Come here. It's only me. It's my hand. Did I tickle you? Yes, I did. I tickled you. Ah, I tickled my cat. Yes, that sounded wrong. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I think I might call it the end of this vlog. It's sort of an update vlog more than anything else. The cat's just going into the cupboard and now trying to chase its tail. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna call it now. Yeah, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.